Hey, how's it going? Welcome to this new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from an image. In this case, I chose this one of Superman, which has a background that is, let's say, a bit complex to remove because most people who make this type of videos just use an image of Tweety or something simple and put a very basic background that is just a green color, gray, white, or whatever, and they just click once and it's done. But in this case, let's say it's quite complicated to remove this background, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So first of all, let's insert the image. How do we insert it? Here we click on Insert and simply look for where it says such image. And we place it here, Images, on this device, and you can either put it in or simply drag it from a folder. Now, first of all, if we do not have the image selected, and we click anywhere else, the option to remove the background will not appear. So what do we need to do? We need to click on the image, and as you can see up here, this image format option becomes available to us. So we go there, and this entire panel will appear over here, which is for giving different options. It is not necessary to crop it. I also saw a video where someone said that we had to crop the image in order to cut the background, but that's not true. All we have to do is go to the top left where it says Remove Background, and it will automatically highlight and purple the parts that it will remove. So as you can see, the Word program is not that great at removing backgrounds, but we can do something about it. We can come up here to the right where it says Keep to Mark, the areas to keep or mark the areas to remove. In this case, I want to keep this part of the hair, so I click on the green here and go to the image of Superman and zoom in on this part of the hair. I start to draw a little bit. I don't have to draw everything exactly. I can just draw a line along the edge, like a little line like this. And, as you can see, the hair is already selected. So, I have it well positioned at the top. Now at the bottom, as you can see, I'm missing this arm, this part of the hand, to be more precise. And simply, as I tell you, I draw a line. Something happened here that I didn't want to happen, but we'll fix that later. As you can see, this is already completed. We can also draw a line like this on this arm to complete it. Once again over here. Let's see, here. We are going to see. And there, it has already been completed. As you can see, this part is done, but we have this little area here that doesn't belong to the suit, which is this background that kind of blends with his arm. So what we are going to do is go back to the top again, but this time we select Mark Areas to remove. We click there and go back to this part here where the arm is, and we are going to mark this area here. And there you go. As you can see, the image is now completely well cropped. The only thing left would be, but that's if you want to get into detail, is that at the top here in the hair, there are some white parts left, but we are going to leave it like that because that takes more time, and you have to dedicate a lot of time to cropping. Once we have the cropping done well all around, what we are going to do is come here where it says Keep Changes. Right at the top left, it says Keep Changes, and we click there. As you can see, the background has automatically been removed from the character, and I can make it smaller. To demonstrate that it no longer has a background, we can write anything at the bottom. We can write Superman powers, for example, and we can give it some design option that allows us to place it next to the text, either above or below, however we want. What we are going to do is place it like this, and as you can see, we can use it right where a piece of the background was, and the text appears as such to make it look well designed. There we go, and we would remove the background. And now we can create a presentation. Well, the presentation is in Word. Here we would create a document or whatever with well-designed and super cool images. As you can see, luckily this happened to me. I left a piece of background that I hadn't noticed. So, we go back to select the image, go to Picture Format, and Remove Background. Here, I have this piece of image left, so what I'm going to do is zoom in and again mark the areas to remove. I'm going to get closer here and draw a line, and that's it. Now, I'm going to keep the changes, and as you can see, now I have no background left on this image. What you see here in red is the layer, so that's why I didn't remove it. And that would basically be all. I hope you liked this video. See you next time. Bye bye.